So guys, first come to gigabyte.com, which is officially website. After that you can see here the search icon, so just click it. After that you enter your model number of your motherboard, Z890 AORUS Elite WIFI7 and nice, then hit enter. Then guys, click to product. Click to here title, then click to support. Then try OS, select your operating system, which is you using Windows 10 and 11, because I am using Windows 11. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth driver. So latest one, this is already involved in Bluetooth, and so try to install separate. So first Wi-Fi driver and second Bluetooth driver. Then first one, which is Bluetooth driver. Okay, this is installing, you can see here. Now Wi-Fi driver. Then yes, and then close it.